Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to take you through connecting your Olarm Pro 4G onto various panels. Let's get into it. On the Sp6000 panel, there's just a few settings you need to change before you can connect your Olarm Pro. Make sure your panel ID is set to 0000 and your panel password is set to 0000. As the Olarm uses the panel ID and password to connect to the panel. On the PC board at the top right is where you find the serial connector. We will be using the 4-pin connector, which is slotted and can only go on one way. We will be using the 5-pin connector, which is slotted and can only go on one way, onto the 5-pin on the back of the unit that says Paradox. We will now follow along the LED states. The unit is booting up. The unit is connecting to the panel. We have a solid blue light, which means connected, all is okay.